GBC. No man you ready say they were willing to what? Purchase the rights because how many more they will get? You will see all African nations and worldwide. Hey, it's a Jimmy Mukrano. Do we have to say we are going to even pay people to even show the thing to the rest of the world? Are we that dumb? What are we talking about here? Because only people are making so much profit from hosting an event. By the end of the year, we make what? Debt. I hate to send ya bogan a duya. Yes, I hate to send ya bogan a the Ghana. Eko si me ya boye duya. Eti bibia nkofo nya ho kwaso ye koya ye boka. GBC Ghana Premier League can time way. Almost say ko metua $5 million. Man for momo. Na mo hosting all African games and you are telling me say you dig out the money from Ghana. I don't care if James Papas were near with it because yes and you could have sold this rights to even DSTV and taking money. Now see my Jessica say for mom na media right now other GBC in Kwana Airway. What the rights who could come at DSTV and now say even the local way they will buy and resell it. This is common sense. We would have made money instead of what? Spending money. I don't know. Now, some of the figures say, "Bano," and mommy who said, "Ghana yare." I'm telling you, and you see, this is going to go straight. Everyday business as usual. Hello, I Xposed GH. If I'm Bruce, Pacho share me now. Oh, bomb the impermejoso. Oh, subscribe, mommy. We program my friend said me ye Ghana ni onso ye Ghana ni ana. O ye Ghana na me ye Ghana ni de na ye mo Ghana ho nkomo. Na se kakra bi asem bia ba ma boto na mre aho. E na am se oman se senye ne de a. Nyankopon bie soro no yi dollars ni nyina akura gu Ghana ohia be dokoro yen. Yes. Ye koye all African games. All African games. Na say ya na budget a ye de call ye no eni nyema efifi ba no say ye more dam ya na ne aka ni so a me hiti ba asem no tia eye nkwase asem me pese meko hard but ade ne nkwase asem a say me hu word bi a menka yes Atlas no aduane kom dey $15 million 15 million yes Mukai enye aban we kwom mahama time ye call Brazil e ma dokuru ba ko na $100 some guys asem no na asem ne ba no sports guy bi wakasa ya baba kum tata so akasa ya ko those two videos ye ba meto aso
for him $1 million oh
yes the mahunu no
what
people don't
know Ghana for him the value of $1 million ade e betima yo $1 million na ye beyi African games o TV so ade a o man bia ya event a unim de ha me GBC for omo ka so mbetua 5.5 million e de broadcast Ghana Premier League Ghana Premier League Ghana for nkwa na hwe o
yeah
eno no e the entire season omo de 5.5 million ene beyi GBC ni wo ska mbetua o nti ade na GBC for mom Yasamo muskase omunyi African games. Broadcast right here ton. Olympic games.
Yeah, ton.
Omoton origin. Olympic games omoton origin. US nkwano. Campaign omoton man TV ni NBC. Omoton 7.8 billion. Ompeso omuyi Olympic games. US nkwano. Ansa na ombeton Europe de.
Beton Africa.
African games no enne ye Africa ye be here ya anton broadcast right na ma obi a nka wo de mumie ntum se local stations no one person author right Angel Abede multimedia Abede TV3 Abede GBC Abede ye GBC for na we na bid no mo tue scam aban
exactly
because omo kwaje sponsorship abeto so sponsorship ni ye hu bi omo so one person sponsor no $1 million.
Look at this
now omo ni asama omo ska say omunko afa ye kohwe companies na omu ba ye na ebi mako create companies akoshe media ho
hey and unso omu de omu initials
initials nko
na untumi track it because your app say open so who say be a company when you register registrar general you be better fear then attract it
question Ghana phone na question Ghana phone na wose mubusa ne say games bi e be so wiase bia no media right ne yeton enye free because TV na obeyi no obeje sponsorship agu so
and say nka champions league enye TV de bia nke be
ye be
because media right
wow
to be
SK asem no
Michia obi bia menim se urade adom to obi a hoye se me da ya me sole ye na me hu social media na ade se Ghana enye yie Ghana enye yie ayie be na me hwe ya Ghana enya a me ko social media no so a osofukum chacha me ko hwe ayiko a Ghana enya that is a Ghana enye yie $3 million a year. Ghana a year $3 million a year. Sha aman we de bia me kan say ya pa yama America fo nyina entum fra America na onwo metena Ghana ha no 10 years onwo be ma Ghana ayet se America ana yensu ye free ha na ye kwotena America yensu ye di 2 years pe eba sei kuro no ama America ye se Ghana daka omanya mo population na enu be ye 40 million na sikadie oncheni kuro no adie oba besia dem $1 million etumi kogu oba besia dem $1 million etumi kogu oba besia dem de kan emaye na ye wokuromu a ani yesi galamse ye bra galamse na ye bra no excavator aye jiji ye no by 400 and something no that nyina yela na eno na ya no so fukum chacha wo ba na wo beka ya no obi se kababuru mu asem na de making kan efuri infanti dokum de making kan efuri agwalimam ana de making kan efuri PMP mo wadwin ya dwuma wadwin enya dwuma what I say software to wo mem software to fuel software to your tax software enso okoto bibi ayem french no that's the bibi koso wo mem that kuro no koso a that's all ba na beka na jimifuo bi abegina o se kababuru mu asem that the American free zomim o man Ghana hwe o man Ghana pe ani yetumi di cocaine akoto police headquarters na de chain ye sole ya na ye kofa cocaine e de akokoto a cocaine se madani nkonkonte police fuo wawni moti ya na eda yimano da kaye den a sports ministry $3 million internet nkwa sha woncheni na edubra esese wonyankopon di stroke edubra esese wonyame de cancer edubra esese wonyame de yade bone apopo yampanifuo ni bi ebi say ya yama wo man no ye bre ya ma yutu ni bre abre bi atwam ya di ya kan sen koko abre bi atwam ya di koko ani simple so ma kwabrane won kotomra na wabema woba ya wasi koko ni simple na mem but wono ade ya wa mem koko ni simple na mem but wono ade ya wa mem ade ye yutumi boyedin say ya kwakwaji loan ade aba alu pregnancy form no watch scan was ready elu prenisi form ni ache scan was ready o man be no wo man be no anye kokolebu obi enya pneumonia wada form ko police hospital obi enya pneumonia wada form ko 37 apimfo ni abatande da form ana wonchani so can Jeremiah chapter 5 verse number 28 ya Bible say ye leaders no ado dos radia ana won body na ye cho dance wo diponi wia wo mani sika ebo mani korono awudifo akoronfo criminals am robbers notorious obi kowia body eduro na ya mani 15 years in prison obi kofa obi mobile phone na ya mani 10 years in prison na mo ti office aban 05 no na mo create 5 for account ya bi na be tuatu am kama ko ya
Charlie so asemo but bisaw ho asemo na person bisaw say ye ko competition TV rights the TV stations no almost bid to even buy it TNU what the young funny money nyina to chena me because media me a media person me nton banku TV station GBC no more willing say Ghana League Premier League no more willing say they will pay $5 million to broadcast it. I'm telling you GBC no more ready say they were willing to what purchase the rights because how many more they will get. You will see all African nations and worldwide. Hey, it's a Jimmy Mukrano. Do we have to say we are going to even pay people to even show the thing to the rest of the world? Are we that dumb? What are we talking about here? Because only people are making so much profit from hosting an event. By yet the end of the year, we make what? Debt. I had to send ya bogan a dria. Yes. I had to send ya bogan a the Ghana. Eko si when ya boy a dria. It will be beyond Kofonia for son ye koya boka. Because it does not make sense. Say, who see at all African games, GBC, Ghana Premier League can time way, almost commit you $5 million. Man for Momo, now hosting all African games. And you are telling me, say, you dig out the money from Ghana. I don't care if James Papa's were near already. Because yes, and you could have sold this right to even DSTV and taking money. Now see my Jessica say for mom na media right now other GBC in Kwana airway. What the right who could turn my DSTV and now say even the local way they will buy and resell it. This is common sense. We would have made money instead of what? Spending money. I don't know sir. Now, some of the figures say, "Bano," and mommy who said, "Ghana ye yare." I'm telling you, and you see, this is going to go straight. Obi enchio biya yenyo biya he, and yeah, everyday business as usual. Have you seen the bill? $248 million. Crazy, madness. Do you know how much that money can do? Do you know how much? Do you know the things that money can do for Ghana? What are we talking about here? So what year GBC 3.6 million to view for what? What are you talking about? You could have sold the rights for Ghana to make money. Then Biamika said, the so-called ministers that we take are business-minded people. I'm telling you, they don't know how to do business for Ghana. All that they know is to gather the money and throw it away. I'm telling you, because sad year way, now I was suspecting say. Report in Mebani Akase, Ghana have made about $10 million profits and now $200 million profits. Yes, if we have people who are business minded, that should be what the topic now. But now, debt boy na yenyahe fimu. Media rights ni kwa kebeti ni etua bibiaka. I'm telling you, aka media rights kebetimi de tua bibia ka na nyam nwanwa ye ya de etimi tro media 1 million media for a 50 Ghana they show monsa na nipa na diska no e ya de ekoso enti GBC sports ministry de aba omso mtuam 3 million sika no munko famra because in the first place no you have no right to take that money from government coffers to go and pay them. It's GBC baby amako peska na ba no this one parliamentary committee was they should sports they should check them. Na dey when na ye ne awie ne kobobosia na minim say e dey na haye se e yare o se e dey because this does not make sense. It does not make sense. What kwa yes sports program all African games no aboka. Oh come on. Now there obi bob crowd in future so omoka omoka na ye rani on mind say why won't we go into debt? Ye rani on mind say now ye call debt more. Are you surprised? No, I'm not. Because ni aye no e ye ka na de gu ye so na me pacho ye Akufo-Addo pacho go into it ye investigation come obi a culpable be should face the full rigors of the law. Because sika ni bi ye nkotutu sika ngu na se ye te ya sika bi $2 million no be di kwa $3 million no be di kwa $5 million no be di kwa. It's time you are being held accountable for what you are doing. And yes sir, this nation is running down, sinking obiaka me am crash me I expose GH where me GHANANII usi GHANANII ana usi am na fami am just Manuel bye bye.